Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes step by step. First, gather all your ingredients and tools. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. It's crucial to have your butter and eggs at room temperature. This helps create a smooth, well-emulsified batter, leading to a lighter, fluffier cupcake. This preparation ensures a successful baking experience from the start. Next, let's create that delicious batter. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, add your eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition to ensure they are fully incorporated. Finally, alternate adding your dry ingredients with milk, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cupcakes.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these cupcake tips helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. And speaking of staying cool in the kitchen, a quick recommendation. Stay hydrated with an Eau water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your water cold while you're busy baking up a storm. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Now it's time to bake. Carefully fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 full with your batter. This prevents overflow and ensures a nice dome. Bake them in your preheated oven for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let them cool in the muffin tin for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. With your cupcakes cooled, it's time for the fun part, frosting. While they cool, prepare your favorite buttercream frosting. Once the cupcakes are completely cool, pipe or spread the frosting onto each one. You can use a piping bag with a decorative tip or simply an offset spatula for a rustic look. Don't forget to add sprinkles or other fun decorations to make them extra special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.